Hello, Warriors! My name is Dylan Hart, and I hope your semester has been off to a great start. The Center for Internships and Career Development has a few events planned throughout the month that you may want to mark off on your calendars now. And that's why I'm here, to fill you in on what you need to know for the whole month of March. On Monday, March 7th, we will be holding a virtual co-op and internship info session. You can join to learn more about the value of completing an internship or co-op, as well as learning the difference between the two. The meeting will be at 3 p.m., and you can register now at Eastern Career Network. Next up is something we are very excited for. On Wednesday, March 9th, we will be holding an on-ground career and internships fair for the first time in over 2 years. This is a great opportunity to meet potential employers face-to-face, as well as show off your resume and network with employers directly. The first career fair will feature employers focused in accounting, finance, business, marketing, and media. Getting excited for that career fair? That's good, because we're also having a second fair this month. This second on-ground career fair will be on Wednesday, March 23rd, and will feature employers from organizations focused in STEM, health sciences, human services, government and law, and education. Both this fair and the first fair will be in the Sports Center gym from 1 to 4. Finally, on Thursday, March 31st, we will be holding our Creating Your Own Brand Luncheon. This event will be led by 4 female entrepreneurs representing 4 different industries. It'll be held in the Student Center BTR from 12 to 1:30. And that's our month of March. Be sure to follow us on social media to keep up with upcoming events this semester. Also, be sure to check out our upcoming events link on our page on the ECSU website to stay up to date. For now, this is Dylan Hart from the CICD, signing off.